What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Today we have the X5 right here. As you can see, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but if you do, you've seen that I haven't had the X5, or we haven't had the X5, me and Elsie, because it wasn't for a repair. Yeah, we've had an X2 as a loaner car, but today we want to go pick up the X5, and Elsie's currently busy working, so I did get this little part for her. I'm gonna have a link in the description for this, guys, in case you want to get it for yourself. I did get it from Amazon, but let me pull one out real quick. If you can see, let me uncover a little bit. These are side markers, and they are smoked compared to the ones on here. They do look pretty dark, but if you guys look closely, they're clear. And these are smoked, as well as these are sequential. So these are gonna have like the whole strip that goes like this, or the other way. I don't know which way it goes, but yeah, we're gonna try to install these right now, and then hopefully they'll be ready and installed by the time we pick up Elsie, and she can see them and see how she likes them. This is one of the first mods we're doing on the X5. Obviously you guys haven't seen any other mod videos on this, but yeah, I got the homie Dan with me today. He's gonna be helping me, and yeah guys, we're gonna tackle this on, see how it goes. I really have no idea what to do, but we're about to find out. Like I said, I'm gonna have a link for these in the description on Amazon, and they are affiliate, so if you guys do order from that link, you guys are helping out the channel, and I really appreciate it. But yeah guys, let me set up the tripod real quick and let's just get straight into it. All right guys, we're gonna get straight to it. The first thing I did was actually turn the mirror all the way that way as much as I could. That way I have like a little gap in here to put the prying tool and try to pry the mirror glass out. You just want to be really careful with this, because you can actually break the glass if you pry it too hard or something. So I don't know, I was seeing a few videos where they said to like put a little bit of pressure on the glass as you pry it. So yeah, we're just gonna hope for the best right now. Jeez. Alright guys, you want to take it off, but be really careful with it. This helped a lot more actually, because it's a lot more like sturdy. But after that, I don't even know, man. Alright guys, so I got the mirror cap off. So you do want to take off the glass, and then what you want to do is, first you want to start off by prying it. So you want to get a little prying tool like on top of here and just start prying slowly, and then you kind of want to work yourself around. But before you actually try to pull off the whole mirror cap, you do want to pry out these clips right here. So it's this one and this one, which you can find, they will be literally right here as well as up here. But yeah, for the most part, it's really just held on by the clips on top, which would be the clips around here, so right here, and like 2 or 3 right here as well. Anyways, let's go ahead and try to take this off now. I have no idea how to do this either, so I'm gonna have to figure it out right now. But yeah, let's just go ahead and try it and see how it goes. All right guys, so in order to actually do this, you do have to take the mirror off completely. So this just comes off. There's a little clip on here. I won't point exactly where it's at right now. There's a little clip on front, which is right here, which you want to push in, and then go ahead and pry this out completely. And then these as well, you need to take them off from these little things right here. So I'm not even gonna lie guys, I was super scared to do this. Yeah, it's kind of, these kind of get stuck on there. So what helped, what Dan said, was to actually just like hold on to this and pull the mirror out, instead of actually just trying to pull these off of the mirror, if that makes any sense. But yeah, now this is off. Now there's a few more bolts in here that you want to take off. I'll show you guys which bolts I'm taking off right now, and that's gonna go ahead and take off this whole piece right here, which is gonna allow us to get to that. But yeah, it's a little more complicated than I thought, but I think it should be fine. Let's just go ahead and get straight to it. Try to finish it before the light goes away. It's getting dark pretty quick, so yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I already took off one of the bolts because I thought that's all you had to do, but there's literally one bolt right here, one right here, one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6, 7 bolts that you have to take off. So I'm gonna take that off real quick, and then we'll see what we have to do next. Like I said, it did come with a little tool to take those bolts off. So yeah, let me take those off real quick and see what we have to do next. All right guys, so we pulled this off. So once you take off all the bolts on here, this side of this part is like free to come off. There's one tab over here. I don't know if you guys can see that really good. Let me see if I can get it. So right there, this tab right here goes onto this thing right here. So you just want to be careful with that. You also want to disconnect this connection right here, which goes to the lane departure warning, which is right here. It goes connected right here. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see everything perfect. But yeah, just disconnect this, take this off. Now I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more bolts you need to take off, Yeah, I think so, in order to get this off, the actual light off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right guys, so let's come back to this. So right now what we took off was this bolt right here. I'm sorry if you guys can see too good. This bolt right here, and this bolt that goes up here. Now this is gonna allow you to take off this whole entire piece. Let me slide this back. It's gonna allow you to take off this whole piece. You guys can see everything. But in order for it to come out, obviously if you guys look down here, it's held on by this clip or this connection right here. So I'm gonna have to take off this connection real quick. This is for the 360 camera. I'm gonna unplug this, and then that's gonna allow us to actually pull out this whole piece, which will let us replace this and then go ahead and put everything back on, and then go ahead and work backwards. But yeah, let me go ahead and try to unplug this real quick and see what I can do. All right guys, in order to take off this clip from here, what you want to do is go ahead and pry on the sides. Go ahead and pry it from here as well as here, and that will allow you to just pull this straight out. So now we should be able to just go ahead, yeah, so this thing will just pull straight out. And now what we have to do is unplug the actual side marker, which is this connection right here. You should be able to just press in on the clip and pull it all out like this. So now if I go ahead and zoom out, you guys can see that we have the whole thing out right here. Now it should be really easy to just take this one off and put the other one back on. So I think at this point what's holding it on is a clip down here and a bolt that's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that too good. It's getting dark, guys. So it's gonna be this bolt right here and this clip that's right here, right there. So let me see if I can take that off real quick. All right guys, so this will be a lot easier if first of all you don't have the lane departure warning, and second of all if you don't have the 360 camera, because now in order to get this off, it's pretty much loose. You just can't take it off because this camera is holding it in, which is the 360 camera. You can see right there. So I mean, it's only 2 Torx that's holding it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Torx real quick. Just remember which way you take everything off. I'm pretty sure it only fits one way, but just in case, just remember how you take everything off. But there's a 1 Torx right there and 1 Torx right here. You'll be able to see them. They're literally right there. Just go ahead and take that off, and then that's gonna allow us to take off the whole side marker. So yeah guys, a lot of work, but I mean, hopefully it's worth it. All right guys, it helps a lot too if you have a really thin, small flathead screwdriver for certain parts of this. But for the bottom clip that's right here, you'll be able to know which way to pry it, but you just want to pry it out, and that will go ahead and let you take out the whole light. As you guys can see, now all we have to do is just go ahead and switch it with the other one, and then put everything back on exactly how we took it off, just backwards. And then yeah, we'll be able to see how it looks. But yeah, hopefully this was all worth it, guys. All right guys, just to show you guys what it looks like as of right now. So it's officially on there. The fitment is not too bad, to be honest. I don't think it fits as flush as the original, but it doesn't fit bad at all. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like though. Now that they're on. Wow, you can't even see that one.
Yeah, you can't see it at all.
You can't see it on the camera. So you guys can see that one for sure.
Oh yeah.
You guys can for sure see the new one. It looks really cool, honestly, the way it like sequential. Yeah, that's really cool. Compared to this one, this one's really dim actually, compared to the other one. If I'm in the shade, you can see it. So if I take off the light, but this one you can see regardless. Yeah, that one's way brighter and it looks pretty cool actually. But yeah, you guys can see what it looks like. It honestly is a really big difference. Like I said, you can kind of tell too, that light has a lot more light because it runs all the way to the end of the actual like part, as opposed to that one, it cuts off early. So yeah, it looks way better. It looks really, really nice. And yeah, I need to do this one now. It's super dark though, so it's gonna be a little more hard. All right guys, we officially put both of them on. Let me turn off this light real quick so you guys can see what it looks like better, like in the dark. I did want to record this in the day just to be able to show you guys how to do it, but I think the actual lights themselves obviously look a lot better at night. You guys can see how they're sequential. They're like way more bright. Maybe I'll finish the video tomorrow so you guys can see what the smoked part looks like. I think that looked pretty cool as well. All right guys, so it is a few days now. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to record due to work, but I really wanted to show you guys what the smoked lights look like during the day. I think during the day mainly is when you can tell the difference between the smoked and the clear. Unfortunately, I already switched the other one, so I can't really show you guys, but obviously you guys have the clears on your car right now, so you'll be able to see the difference between these right here and then the ones on your car right now. And another thing is that the original ones end, the light ends about like right here or so, and these go all the way like through the whole part. So yeah, you get a little bit more light as well. And yeah, I think it looks really cool, honestly. I do need to clean the mirrors and stuff, but like I said, the gap and the flushness, it's not perfect, but for the most part it's really good. I was looking through the forums a lot when I was looking for these, and there was a lot of people saying that the fitment was really bad, and they had to trim part of the mirror and then trim part of like the actual light and stuff. But yeah, for the most part this one's not bad at all. Could be a little better, but yeah, that's how it looks, guys. You guys can kind of see what they look like right here. It is daytime, so they are a lot dimmer, but if you get close up, you guys can see this is what I'm talking about. So the OEM light ends about right here, so you only get like light from here to here, but this one goes all the way throughout the whole part. So I think that's really cool as well. And like the whole sequential part just looks really cool, and the color matches like the headlights and stuff really nicely as well. First mod so far on the X5. Got a few other things that we want to do. I got one more kind of big mod, same thing we did to the M5 that we're waiting to install on this thing right here. And then yeah, we do want to do downpipes and tune, but we just want to wait on it, you know, just enjoy the truck a little bit how it is right now before we do anything like that. That's pretty much it, guys. I know the install part was kind of all over the place, and hopefully I was able to show you guys like a good view of how to do it. Sometimes it is hard to get like a good like angle and stuff while I'm trying to do it. It's honestly not hard at all. It's just a little more work than I thought it was going to be, but it was relatively easy once you already know how to do it. I think I did take like an hour or so on this light, but on that one I took like 20 to 30 minutes because like I said, I already knew what to do and it was just a lot easier. But let me know what you guys think. It's such a simple mod, but I think it's really cool to have. I really wanted to do this to my old F10, but I didn't have the lights on the mirrors because mine was pre-LCI, so it's really cool to be able to do it on the X5 now. Something that I wanted to do such a long time ago. The rear as well looks really nice, but yeah, I'm definitely not feeling these chrome tips, so maybe we'll change those out next. Let me know if there's anything you guys would like to see on the X5, any little mods, anything like small little details that you think would make a big difference and stuff like that, you know, some inexpensive mods. Anyways, guys, hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below of any video ideas you guys have on the X5 or the M5 over here looking beautiful. Anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video once again, and with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.